So as time passes by, what happens is that the Google Sheets is edited by you and by other users if you have shared it, and they might or you might make a lot of changes. And if you want to keep track of that, then you can use something called version history. And to access that, you can go around into file right here, and then you can go to version history right here, and you can see version history as you can see right here. So that is one way to access version history, and another way to access version history is to go back right here, and then you can go around over here on the top where you see something called last edit was yesterday right here, and once you click on it, what happens is that it opens up the same panel. So over here on the right side, you can see when the changes were actually made out. So you can scroll down right here, you can go around right here, and let's say you want to access the file version of May 28 right here. You simply click here and you can see that the changes is made by me. You can see that by the color right here, and for the other user you can see that there's a different color right here. So you can click on it and all the version history is there as you can see, and you also have a choice to restore that version. If you want to, you can click on restore that version, and then there you go. You can also go around over here and then you can make a copy of the version. So let's say you don't want to restore it out, you want to create another file, then you can simply see it right here. So I'm just going to say data May 30 right here. And if I were to press OK, what happens is that another copy is made for Google Sheets just like this. So now I got another tab over here. You can see this is the original tab. You can go back, and this is the version history. A separate copy of the version is made so that you can work around with independently. So over here in the version history part, so let me just click over here. You can also just see the named version. If I were to click here, then only the named version will be shown out. So right now, none of them is actually named out. So let me just disable it. So you can say something like, let's say for example, over here, you can go around and name this as TutorTube right here. And this one as well, I'm going to rename is as TutorTube 2 right here. So now let's see what happens. So if I were to turn on only show the named versions, then what happens is that the only ones with the names are displayed out. And this makes it a lot more easier to filter out data. And that is how you can work around with version history inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.